I am Vincent Carragher, a Research Fellow in Civil, Structural and Environmental Engineering, Trinity College Dublin. We have collaborated with the Wheel on this piece of research called Piloting Innovative Approaches in Sustainable Communities Towards Achieving the UN SDGs in Ireland. Given the cross-cutting nature of Agenda 2030 and its SDGs, governments need to work across sectors and coordinate implementation. Communities and groups are the fundamental units of society, and this research sought to engage these and their individual members in sustainability action. Our previous EPA Research Report 238 had identified and tested a number of drivers or enablers which catalyse sustainability transition at this scale. This research utilised these and consisted of a public-facing campaign branded as Spark Change, and you can see this on the www.sparkchange.ie website. And this challenged communities to progress their sustainability transition and related SDG actions. A story harvesting platform was also established so that the communities with sustainability achievements could exchange actionable information. Upon 50 stories now are currently hosted there. Resources enabling communities at all stages of sustainability transition were gathered and developed and can be found on the website or in our EPA report. Fostering co-design and co-production was a key part of our deep community interventions. We adapted the EU and the UN SDG indicators to measure community progress on the SDGs, and we engaged with over 130 communities. And in our challenge, a total of 6 successful communities were unanimously selected by our judges. It was the view of the Spark Change communities that our drivers effectively catalysed their sustainability transition. A significant range of sustainability action was illustrated by our communities across the SDGs, and predominantly in SDGs 3, Good Health and Wellbeing, SDG 4, Quality Education, SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, SDG 14, Life Below Water, and SDG 17, Partnerships and the Goals. Spark Change fostered sustainability transition and provided essential SDG guidance, leadership and literacy. Communities that often feel detached and unsupported, but Spark Change added a visibility, recognition and legitimacy to their action. As well as focus and public attention on the SDGs, this also recognises the achievements of community. Given the successes of Spark Change, funding for this type of cost-effective action research should be continued to drive future SDG action and measurement, and to achieve SDG targets. A key recommendation is that the period for which projects are funded should be extended to 48 to 60 months to achieve baseline measurement, sustainability transition and measurement of the SDG actions. In leveraging our sustainability drivers, governments can further capitalise on the economies of scale offered by community involvement and support the advancement of exemplar communities. Given the relatively low funds required, this is cost-effective and scalable support that will allow communities to share and network their learning and demonstrate their actions in transition. Such beacon communities can act as sustainability guides, enhancing self-efficacy, collective agency, the development of norms, and the reachability of sustainability transition for other communities.